Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create Google Drive folder shortcut in desktop. For that, make sure you open your Google Chrome at the first. And here now you can simply click on this 9-dot icon at the top right. And here you can simply search for your Google Drive. After that, you will be led to your Google Drive. And here now you can simply choose your folder that you want to add to your shortcuts. Now for this video, I will go for this one. Now after you are done, you can simply click on this minimize icon at the top right, and this will be leading you to this kind of interface. And here at the top you can see this logo. You need to simply click over here and simply drag it down to your desktop and place it wherever you want. After you are done, here you can see that it has been dragged down to your desktop. Now you can simply click over here, and now you can see that it will be leading you automatically to your folder. And this is how easily you can create Google Drive folder shortcut in desktop. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.